Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let me Samuel Sambu. I'm a Nigerian born and brought up here in Nigeria. Yes, I film about lifestyle, relationship, marriage, business, school life, health, fashion, beauty, name it. Everything that evolves around lifestyle, we're going to be discussing all of those stuffs over here on this channel, okay? So guys, if you're new here, you're welcome. Where have you been, darling? You're welcome to Sally Talks. Yes, and I want to say welcome back to my returning subscribers. You guys have been super amazing. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show us how I make my eyebrows with less than $1. Yeah, so if you're interested to see this, if you're interested to see how to transform my eyebrows, then you need to see this video till the end, okay? Don't go nowhere. So guys, in order to achieve this eyebrow, we'll be needing a foundation, okay? I'm using 2 shades of foundation, my skin tone and the one that is lighter than my skin tone, okay? Then we'll be needing a pencil. This is Miss Lovely. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Miss Lovely. If you're in Nigeria here, you can easily access it and David's, okay? So whichever one you have, you could actually use. You can actually use David's or Miss Lovely. But in today's video, I'm going to be using David's, okay? Yes. And we'll be using our brush, our flat brush, and another extra brush which is bigger than the flat brush, okay? So let's jump right into it. Upon David's pencil, yeah, just carve the both. I'm starting from the down part of my eyebrow. Then I'm going just the upper part now. Make sure that I shaped it properly. Yeah, so I'm doing the other side too. Just carve it properly, trying to check if I'm doing a good job. I'll do a touching here to make sure that it's perfect, okay? So all we're gonna be doing now is to do some strokes starting from the end to the top. So that's what I'm doing now. Just give it a nice feeling. Okay guys, do it with the other side. Give it a nice feeling so the brow will look lovely. So we're done with that. So we're going to our concealer. I have 2 types of concealer, the lighter one which is my skin tone and the brighter. I'm starting with my skin tone color. I actually use that first. It's more like a cleaner. I use that in erasing any of the pencils or the lining that I did. I felt is much or it's not done properly. I use my skin tone color to erase it while doing that. I'm using my skin tone first. But if you could see, the brows are actually coming out nice. Yay! So I'll just blend it. Yeah, I'll just do the upper part too with my skin tone color, yes guys, to give it an even definition, okay? Just brush it down, do some touching, do the other side, brush it. Okay, our brows are coming out nice. It down. Like guys, can you imagine? Guys? Okay, so all I told is I used the bigger brush. You know, I showed you guys 2 brushes, so I'm using the bigger one now. Not the flat one, the bigger one. I'm using it to blend in the foundation, my skin color foundation. I'm blending it to give it an even tone. I'll blend the upper part too. Blend it properly. You could see the brows is looking well defined, you know. So when we're done with that, I'll be using the lighter foundation. You guys see the lighter one? Yeah. So I'm using the lighter one now to define it better. Okay. I hope you can see the differences now. I hope you can see the differences. Okay. I hope you can see the differences. Just do that. I'll just blend it to make it perfect. Our brows are perfect. Blend it in, blend it in. Yes guys, so our brows are looking amazing, guys. Can you imagine with $1 you achieve this? So guys, I'll just brush it in to give it that final perfect look. Okay. Yeah, are we good? I'll just go off the camera now and I'll do makeup. Quickly. So guys, this is the end product of the eyebrow. I've done my makeup. If this video has been helpful to you guys, please don't forget to like, comment and share. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.